Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Nursing Guru 24. Today we are going to discuss about an important system in human body, that is the respiratory system. The respiratory system is divided into two main parts, the upper and lower respiratory tracts. The upper respiratory tract includes nose, nasal cavity, pharynx and larynx. These structures are responsible for filtering, warming, and humidifying the air we breathe. Then lower respiratory tract. This includes the trachea, bronchi, their branches, they are bronchioles and lungs. Within the lungs, there are some air-filled sacs, they are called as alveoli, where gas exchange takes place. Then the lungs are protected by pleura. Pleura is the double layered membrane that reduces friction during breathing. The diaphragm, a dome shaped muscle below the lungs, plays an important role in ventilation. First, we start with the upper respiratory tract. This is the entry point of air. The nose and nasal cavity, where air is filtered, warmed, and humidified by tiny hairs and mucous membranes. Air can also enter through the mouth, especially during exercise or when nasal passages are blocked. Next, air passes through the pharynx or throat. Pharynx is the common way for both air and food. It is divided into three parts: nasopharynx, oropharynx, and laryngopharynx. Below the pharynx, there is a larynx, also called as voice box, containing the vocal cords responsible for speech. There is a cartilage called epiglottis which closes during swallowing the food to prevent food from entering the airway. Then if we see lower respiratory tract, from the larynx, air travels down to the trachea. Trachea is also called as windpipe. The trachea then branches into two main bronchi, one for each lung. Inside the lungs, the bronchi further subdivides into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles, resembling the branches of a tree. These branches again lead to some tiny air sacs. They are called as alveoli. The primary function of the respiratory system is gas exchange. Gas exchange takes place in three steps. They are inhalation, gas exchange, and exhalation. In inhalation, air enters through the nose or mouth, travels down the trachea, and reaches the alveoli in the lungs. Then, in the alveoli, oxygen from the inhaled air passes into the blood, while carbon dioxide from the blood is transferred to the alveoli. Then the diaphragm relaxes, pushes the carbon dioxide rich air out of the lungs. This process is important for maintaining the body's pH balance. This is the quick overview of the respiratory system. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more nursing fundamentals. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.